Ultimate guest comfort comes within reach with Samsung hospitality displays. Samsung's new hospitality display offers new concept as an innovation enabler with an integrated hospitality-specific platform and solution. Samsung is proposing a 5-step innovation roadmap according to the hotel's current technology adoption stage and their future innovation plan. Step 1. Start branding on in-room TVs. In-room hotel TVs have evolved from simple appliances to service tools. Hotels can enhance customers' in-room experience by using Samsung hospitality displays. With a fully customizable home menu, all Samsung hospitality displays provide a functionality to enable properties to imprint their brands to their guests. Hotels can conveniently display the hotel information as well as provide guests access to frequently used TV features. Step 2. Centralize content management. In-room TVs are the most convenient way for hotels to promote their services more effectively to their guests. When combined with Samsung Link Reach 4.0, all Samsung hospitality displays become an information and entertainment hub. With Link Reach 4.0, hotel managers can control on-site displays through a central remote server and elevates these displays into all-in-one hubs for content, channel access, and real-time weather, flight, and billing information. Step 3. Upgrade management over IP network. Today's tech-savvy hotel guests want access to a wide variety of content while away from home. By using a Reach 4.0, hotel managers can provide unique services to their guests over an IP-based as well as coax infrastructure. When guests check in, the hotel's property management server, PMS, transfers guest data to the Link Reach server, and the data is used to send customized messages. As guests prepare to leave, the in-room display shows accumulated charges and provides express checkout options. Hotels that lack LAN network capabilities can benefit such IP-based feature. Remodeling rooms to have LAN connection requires a huge investment and discontinuity in business. By adding a CMTS device, properties can transmit IP content over existing coax networks to the in-room displays. Step 4. Integrate guest device in in-room entertainment. Today's guests want to enjoy the contents more comfortably on a big screen. Screen mirroring and smart view in all IP-based Samsung hospitality displays provide an easy way to enjoy the multimedia content stored on mobile devices on large displays. In addition, Bluetooth speakers are growing in popularity, but equipping each room with a dedicated speaker carries a lot of risk. Samsung settles this problem with its embedded Bluetooth music player. Step 5. Centralize and automate in-room control and workflow. As the latest evolution in hotel management, Samsung Link Hospitality Management Solution, HMS, creates a more differentiated guest experience. As an in-room control hub, Samsung hospitality displays communicate with in-room devices such as thermostats, lights, and sensors while connected to the hotel's Link HMS server, which allows properties to save management costs and optimizes staff workflow. This is the ultimate level of in-room technology innovation that will put the hotel of the future at your fingertips. For the greatest experience and the most benefits, including all innovations from Step 1 through 5, Samsung hospitality displays are designed to elevate guest experience while providing a higher quality of entertainment and information. This is Samsung's new concept of the hospitality display as an innovation enabler.